This here is my mission to Jupiter Moonswatch with the upgraded orange sand rubber strap. Although I found nothing wrong with the original strap that came with the watch, I decided to upgrade to the new rubber strap anyway. I ordered the strap directly from the Swatch website for £38 as it's a web exclusive. My wrist measures 15 centimeters, so I ordered the small sized strap. It comes with a strap changing tool, and you can scan a QR code on the back of the packaging for instructions on how to remove the original strap. The video on the Swatch website shows very clearly how to use the tool. So aside from their strap changing tool, you don't need specialist equipment. You can do this from the comfort of your own home, so there's no need to go out and get it done at a jeweler's. It took less than half a minute to remove the straps, and because the new straps have quick release, putting them on took very little time too. The new strap has a nice textured rubber design. It is more comfortable to wear than the original strap for sure, and I'm very pleased with this upgrade.